Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and I just finished mowing the lawn. Now you look at me, I'm not sweaty. We're in Florida, we should be hot. But not at all, because our RoboUP Raccoon 2 SE robotic lawnmower did all of the work for us. Yeah, this thing is absolutely fantastic because you can mow straight out of the box. Now you know my frustration. If you watch this channel, you know how frustrated I've gotten with certain brands of lawnmowers. They won't connect to the satellites, they don't connect to the app, and mapping is a nightmare. But not with this little guy. No wires, no RTK, no app is required for simple lawns, and you can just press and mow. Now, one of the things I like is how easy it was to connect. It connected with Bluetooth, which was very simple right out of the box, just like setting up a set of headphones. Turn on your phone, turn on the device, they marry up, and you're good to go. But then on top of that, if you want to map a lawn with a standard, say, backyard with a fence, something like that, you can put it in auto mode. It'll find the perimeter, and it'll just start mowing. And it keeps a very keen eye on safety, not running over dog toys, pets, or anything that may be in the yard. So that's very smart. But if you want to do manual mode, which is what I did for this unique little piece of grass we have here, we went ahead, we drove it around like a remote control car, mapped out the perimeter, and let it do the cutting. So that's pretty cool. Now, you've got manual mode, you've got auto mode, and you've got a whole lot more. You can even put out little instructions, little discs on the yard, and create a map automatically as well. So yeah, this thing is easy to use, boundary wire free. That's awesome. Now it's got that AI camera right in the front, knowing exactly what to do, and it's built for real imperfect gardens. It handles slopes up to 20 degrees, narrow parts, uneven ground, and even shaded areas with confidence. Now, it's still kind of wintry here in Florida, even though it's still getting hot. The grass isn't growing too fast. There's some leaves, there's some sticks, but that's no problem for this little guy right here. Goes ahead, cuts the grass to the height that you set in the app. That's easy. And this is really a flagship design. It's thoughtfully designed with obstacle avoidance. It's got edge mowing, zone controlling, and auto recharge. And yeah, this isn't the overkill device that's going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars and not pay off in the end. This is coming at a very economical price thanks to the good folks at RoboUP. Now, they've equipped it with a powerful battery to where it'll run significantly long amount of time. They've equipped it with fast charging mechanism where it'll dock itself, charge itself, and take care of business. That obstacle avoidance is second to none as well. And I love these big fat tires in the front that are allowing it to go over bigger areas without causing any issues. Let's tell you a little bit more. So let's talk about the overall efficiency. It's got efficiency where it matters, 5 amp battery, fast charging in 70 minutes, mows for 150 minutes, and the 20 centimeter blade allows for smooth, even cuts. That makes me so happy, even in those ticky-tacky, tricky areas. Now, in addition, they've got reliable local fulfillment, so it gets here fast, a 30-day return policy, 3 years of warranty, local repairs and replacement, and updates over the air, so you never have to worry about it. This is the ideal robot for smaller lawns. Again, you can mow straight out of the box. Flexible mowing blades, so you can mow in the manner that you need. And boy, I just love this. It is really a premier item that you can pick up now, and we'll put all the information in the description below. Now, furthermore, it's got that dual obstacle detection using that really smart AI, detecting common garden obstacles for safe, unattended mowing around people, pets, furniture, toys, anything you may have. This is a ride-on edge cutting design, closer to the edge, keeping your lawn cleaner and meaning less cleanup for you. I also love the fact that you can mow up to 3 zones. All right, Now on top of all of that, electric cutting via the app, no manual lifting, and you can adjust it from 3 centimeters to 8 centimeters with 12 precise levels. It's got the automatic recharge and resume, goes straight back to the docking station. High efficient performance, loaded with a big battery that charges quickly. That makes me very happy as well. So you can see that 20 centimeter design, very smart there. This thing will handle more dense areas, uneven ground. It will go ahead and pass under narrow passages like a trampoline, or it will work in shaded areas where those satellite mowers wouldn't be able to go. It's got the emergency stop on top, an easy to use PIN number, and I absolutely love the design here that you can use it without an app. That makes me very happy as well. It's actually very quiet. The Wi-Fi OTA updates for improvements are available too. And folks, I know it's kind of hard to see grass on video, but you can see this is long grass, and then it has made a pass over on this side, so you can see how short and even this side is, and then how long and scraggly this side is. So from this side cut, this side not, you can see a significant difference in length. And let's just show you how quiet this is. We're maybe 15 feet away from the mower. You can hear it, probably can't hear it, quietly mowing in the background. And I love the fact that it's done a great job even here with the leaves and things. It's mulched up the grass. This is the before. You see that long grass and all those leaves. And this is a legitimate after. No camera tricks. A couple hours later. Look how even and flat the lawn is. You can see they've just done a great job here getting all of the grass even, making it look professional. And even though I didn't rake, it's really mulched up a lot of the leaves. It's made my lawn look fantastic. Now in this case, folks, we're going to go ahead and manually map just by driving the robot around. See how easy this is. I'm pushing forward and it's like a remote control vehicle. All right, folks, so this is quiet and efficient. We've been throwing plenty of obstacles in its way, and it's done a great job with that. The before and after is significant. It's done a great job of cutting an even lawn, and it's by a tremendous company. The biggest thing for me is that it was easy to set up. It didn't take a lot of work. That's a big problem with a lot of robotic lawnmowers. They constantly have to be updated. They constantly have to be remapped, or they get stuck. This didn't get stuck once in our testing. We've been testing it on and off throughout entire yard and our other studio yard without any problems. We never had it give us any issues with obstacles. It didn't run anything over, even lower obstacles. And you know what? It's pretty darn silent. It's running behind me absolutely silently, getting up to those edges, getting up to our flower garden, and that makes us happy. Those big wheels are performance-based. It's stylish, it's sophisticated, and it's oh so chic. Folks, it's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for your love and affection. You know, you're our favorite, and we want to make sure that you get a product that's right for you. And this one is an absolute winner. We couldn't support it more, so thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Goodbye.